Sweet.
Let's learn something.
Alright, so if you're here, you probably had the same issue as I did. I was recording along, and it popped up and said that I ran out of storage. Womp womp. So, here we are, about to install this M.2 drive into my laptop. Alright, come along with me. Let's go. Alright, first we want to start off by making sure that our laptop is turned off. And here I know it's off because it's not starting up. No lights are coming on. And then flip her over. And then we got 4 screws on the back. And then we got 4 screws in the front. And then I'll start by taking those off. Last one is out. I like to start when taking it off from this side because there's a better grip. But I'm gonna flip it around so I can start taking it off. It's not coming off. I got just a trick. Be right back. Alright, I think this will do. Right? Just kidding. Alright, so I used a little screwdriver to start my entry. Now I'm just wiggle it around. You hear it clicking. That's just the plastic popping out of it. Doing what it's supposed to. Alright, so right here we got the battery. Right here and right here we have our M.2 drives. Our fan. This is our RAM. I'll go ahead and remove these. Alright. Well, and since this is empty, I know the other one's over there. Now it's time to install this. Alright, so here is our new SSD. Handle with care. Drops it. Alright. Now just stick it in. Down. And now we just put this back. sure you keep that held down so it stays in place. See? There we go. Easy as that. Now we just put it back together. Alright, you want to just push down and you'll hear it click around all the areas. Clicking is going back into its slots. Oh, careful around here. There we go. All 8 screws back in. Now it's time to fire it up. Alright, now that we got it all back together, let's see if it'll start up. Hey, there we go. Now all we gotta do is create a quick partition for the new SSD. So if you right click on the start menu and select disk management, now select OK to initialize this new drive. Alright, and then we'll right click on the new drive where all the storage is unallocated, and we'll start a new simple volume. Here you can select the size of the partition. I would use the default option and use all the space available. And here we want to set a letter to our drive. This way it's easy for you to find it. You just remember which letter you set to this particular drive. And then just click next. And I would just leave everything as is. Next. And then here we just click finish. And you're all done.